Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the date format in Microsoft Excel from day, month, year to month, day, year. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel and load the document you are working on. Here's an example of a document that I created which contains patient details from different locations along with specified dates. Now, the date format is set to day, month, year, but let's say you want to change it to month, day, year. To do this, start by selecting the column that contains the dates. Once selected, right-click on it and choose Format Cells. This will open the Format Cells window. From here, go to the Category section on the left and click on Date. Now, look for the location option and change it to United States. As the US follows the month, day, year format in its calendars. After that, under the Type section, select the first option, then click OK. And just like that, your date format is successfully changed to month, day, year. Now all the dates in your selected column will follow this format. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.